Hey everyone, welcome back to Ontario Gardening. So I have taken on a job to go feed a flock of geese, ducks, chickens, all that kind of stuff on somebody's farm. So I thought I would take you with me this morning to go do that. I'm just about to get dressed and ready and I'll show you what's up. Okay, here we are, which is super hard to tell out of my dirty windshield, but let's get moseying inside and see these birdies. So we got an incredible windstorm last night, like tornadoes were touching down in our area, which is like super uncommon. Oh, hello. So it's been a crazy weather storm. So I just got to check to make sure everybody's good. But as you can see, the chickens greeted me. Look at this lovely pond with the little intruders there, the Canadian geese intruders. But they've got the geese with the skirts, the sebastal, I can't remember what they're called. They got the fluffy coats. And then my favorite are the Pekin ducks and these Indian runners. Good morning. Good morning. Do you guys need some food? Yeah. Okay, I'm coming. Everybody just waddling up from the pond. It's like literally the best. Yesterday I came here and there was bunnies and chipmunks and everything eating the food. Like it was so cute. This one is feta, as in cheese. Those geese are mean though, like super mean. They like to hiss at you. But then when we're done, because there's these guys back there. Living for it. There's the one with the skirt and his buddy. I guess these have made it up and they're all buddies. But anyways, once I'm done feeding these guys, we're gonna go on a little egg hunt. See what I mean about the hissing? They're just so rude. I'm coming as fast as I can. Do you want somebody here? Okay, forget it then. We're just having... This is literal chaos. Oh, I think they're about to go jump the pond. Like, imagine just waking up every morning and you have birds flocking your pond. How beautiful. So they just have like little trays set up all over the place so that they can take turns eating all over. But these ones are really pretty. I like these ones. You guys, get out of there. Get lost. Came to check for some chicken eggs and there's a freaking chicken in here. You're brooding on something, aren't you? You little... So yeah, this is a lovely home, lovely property. I'm definitely going to go do my rounds around the pond now, make sure nothing is hurting or... So I don't know if you can see, but there's like just random eggs chilling in the grass. This is so fun. I've decided if I'm ever upgrading our property, it will not be without pond. Because this is just, they've got their own little huts there. This is just lovely. Got myself a little egg. So there are goldfish in this pond. It's a fully stocked pond. I know this 1000% because the first day I was here, a heron swooped in and stole one and ate it on the sidelines. So I know that they're in here. Oh, there's... I don't know if you can see if the camera's capturing it, but it's been a wild adventure. Like every morning that I've come here, there's something new. Like I said, the bunnies, the chipmunks. There was a frog that was going nuts on the property yesterday. It's just been really fun to see the animals more in like a natural habitat as opposed to like a farming or a homestead situation where they're confined into spaces. Like these ducks and geese live on this pond all throughout the winter everything. Like, they do not have confinement unless there's some sort of crazy storm. So you just literally get to see it all. You get to see all of the different wildlife come in and do their thing. It's very natural. I love it. Just keep swimming, just keep swimming. Those really are majestic little geese, but just ignorant. I've learned that ducks are it. I don't know if I really like the geese. Like, watching these guys is just a good time. They're just foraging. Love this. Anyways, back on my duck egg hunt. So there's one of the goldfish. I mean, not to be rude, but as you can see, I wasn't lying. They are in here and things do come and get them. So, I mean, I'm sure the ducks or somebody will take care of this today, hopefully, because I'm not picking that up. I shouldn't have to worry. This is a wildlife situation. They'll come. Something will come for that fish. And this is the problem, too, if you don't get to these eggs soon enough. Something gets to the eggs, too. Sheesh. Oh, no. The wind took out a bird's nest out of the tree last night. Poor birdies. There is a wooded forest that I'm going to walk into. It's just not going to be today because it rained so much last night and I'm wearing flip-flops. But they leave this little strip for the animals to like forage through. I think I just really love like how well this property is like maintained and stuff too. Like, it's just really, really pretty. I love it. This is my jam. They did a really good job. Good morning, friends. Okay, I think I'm going to bounce. Everyone here looks alive and well, except for that poor goldfish in the bird's nest. So I really like the personality of these Pekin ducks. But the Indian runners and stuff with the spotted heads, they're cute too. I actually don't know which one I like better at this point. So now there's actually chickens in that chicken coop as well. Where are you guys going? We're letting the chickens out. Come on now. They're baby chickens anyways. And it looks like this kind of took a bit of a beating last night, which is not good. But they've got their automatic door for the big guys in here in their coop. And then the baby chicks have their own little run in here, which is an amazing idea. I love this. Good morning, littles. Where's your big one? Because I have to let her out. Excuse me, chickens. I don't know where this chicken thinks she's going. Off into the abyss, I guess. I mean, with views this beautiful, why wouldn't you explore? Geese drama as per usual. What are y'all mouthing about? Hi, babes. These are really nice chickens. I'm a super fan of these. Are you loving the lettuce? I think out of all the ducks, though, those two are still my fave. Look at them. So casual. Just like the oh, there's a third one. I forgot. Just so casual. I'm dead. This one fellow is always on a mission. They're always on missions. And their friends always follow. So cute. These geese, meh. If I haven't said it in the video yet, meh. Off on a mission. Just always on a mission. So cute. Like, where are they going? Friends! Friends! I have lettuce! Come back! They're not coming back. Here come these dang chickens again. Hello. Yes, and good morning. Should I bring you mealworms tomorrow? I'll bring you mealworms tomorrow. What do you think? You want some mealworms tomorrow? I don't mind. No, not today, ladies. I'm bringing them tomorrow. Okay, I'll bring some tomorrow, I promise. Okay. Apparently I've become the chicken whisperer. Not necessarily interested. Okay. No, friends, I will see you tomorrow. No, I will see you tomorrow. I said good day. I said good day. I said good day.